Yo, what's up gamers, this is Simar from Let's Play Simar, and today we're back with another video. And in today's video guys, I would be showing you how you can turn this normal default PC screen to something more like this, which is suitable for gaming and which is pleasing to your eyes. Be sure to watch the video till the end, and the link for all the files that I have used in this video is in the video description. Be sure to check that out. If this video ends out helping you and you enjoyed it, then be sure to leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you want more awesome content like this. Guys, I have gone with the blue theme because I like blue over any other color. You can go with any of the colors you like. You just have to go to Google and search red gaming background or wallpaper, something like that. You'll get it if red, orange, yellow, anything like that, guys. So guys, there are 3 links for this video. This is the one which has all the files, and this is the website where you'll get rainmeter.exe, and here you'll get rocket.exe. So first of all guys, we'll just download all of these files from here, and the time this is downloading, we'll also download this final one, which is version 4.3.1. you have to download the latest one, and over here you will get to up to down website. From here we'll go with latest version, and we'll then be redirected to this where we'll go download. So the exe for Rocket Dock is also being downloaded. Now I'll see you guys when all of this is downloaded.
2000 years later.
So guys, as you can see, here are the 3 files that you will need. This is the files folder that you will get from my drive link. And first of all, we'll just go with the rainmeter.exe application setup. So guys, when that would be downloaded, Rainmeter, this may come or this may not come. So we'll just go and unload all of this what we have got, and now we'll run this Rocket Dock. So guys, when Rocket Dock would be downloaded, something like this would come. I have already added these files. You just need to take the file and then drag it over here. In here, to add this thing, you have to go to add item and then separator where you want to add it. So we'll just remove this because I already have it over here. And now for the settings that you need to keep for this are, we'll just go in general, and then you need to do it run at startup, minimize windows to dock, run application indicators, and then icons, which I prefer are these are the size, opacity 100%, zoom like this, size this, zoom over here, with zoom width 3, duration this. I have only changed this, I think this and this. So the position I've kept it bottom, not fully bottom, somewhat bottom. And then style, I've gone with, you have to keep it, theme has to be this only. And then here is the font that I have used, and I've kept it bold, and size is 14. This is the words, this is the text you get over when you are hovering over the icon. And the outline opacity, I've kept it 91, and shadow opacity is 62%, this one. And that's all the settings you need to change. You don't need to change the behavior and about. So we'll just close this, and now what we'll do is do some settings to this taskbar. Go to taskbar setting. After right clicking on the taskbar, we'll go automatically hide taskbar in desktop mode and taskbar location to be at the top. So now when I minimize this, you see this is at the bottom, looking very cool and very good. So now we'll just go to our files folder, and here we have this BG which I have provided in the files. We'll just set as the desktop background. So as you can see guys, this is really cool. This is really pleasing to the eyes, this background, and you can also change it according to you, the color you like. So now we'll just go to view, left clicking on the desktop, and then we'll go show desktop items. This should not be tick. We'll go like this so that these may hide. And now what we'll do is we will do some settings to the Rainmeter. So you can start Rainmeter from over here. This will start. We have to go to this, then I'll copy all of these files. You can copy or cut, and then you have to go to documents, then Rainmeter, and in skins you just paste this. So this is pasted. Now we'll use few components from this, few from this, few from this, and few from this. So now I'll just close this and refresh all, and now as you can see we got this. So from vector I got the date, which is like which is like this, which is again really good looking skin. Now after this I will go to, from mont I will go and use this recycle bin, which is a really nice component which you can add in the corner of your screen. Again, adds elegance to your computer desktop. So now from Lumerio, here I will get the weather forecast, which over here you can see for weather forecast, that over here you will see I will tell you how to set your location for this as well. And now from this components, you can use any of the components you like. So I will go with this, CPU over here, and then HDD1, then this HDD2. HDD1 is, if you may see it as SDD if you have an SDD storage, and from RAM I go this. Okay, so now I'll just close this. We have all of this done. Now what I'll do is change the setting a bit. So we have to keep it undraggable once you have set it, and then you have to go to positions and normal, otherwise it will overlap the apps which you will open, and same for the settings, position and normal. So now if I open this Google Chrome, as you can see none of this is visible because it is at normal, not even this. So I'll just minimize this tab. So this is the screen that you should be getting. You can also go to Rainmeter and add mont clock if you want. You can add this clock as well. This is also in the files. Just unload this. There are a lot of options in the file that you can see. You can also get this player where you can audio which you're playing will be visible. So now for this one, to set it according to you, you have to click on this weather one, not over here. It can also take this up as this is still here. So this has to be Lumerio / weather forecast. And now we have to go to edit skin, and from edit skin I'll just full screen it. And now you have to go to measure weather. Over here you can see this URL. So you have to find out your location on Yahoo Weather. So then you have to copy out your URL and then paste it over here, and then you have to click save, and then close this, and then go over here and refresh skin. This way you would get the refreshed and the revised weather location that you want. So guys, this is the full customization for your PC. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video and found it helpful, and if you did, be sure to leave a like on this video, subscribe to this channel for more awesome content like this, and guys, comment if you want to see more such customizations with different color backgrounds. And again guys, the files that I have used in this video are given in the description. Be sure to check that out. And that's it for today. We'll see you next time on Let's Play Simar.